Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is again my past this video is about my past training on crude blending essential and optimization. This was also a face-to-face training from the refinery operators, and they came all day long to London, and they asked me to give some trainings on crude oil optimization because they were dealing mostly with different kind of crudes and into they were in the blending operations actually. So this training was given in March 2026, and it was also a very fruitful training where all the attendant um, enjoy a lot, and they had enriched their knowledge into this area actually. So what I covered on day one, I will just let you know. So this was the objective, like overall crude oil characteristic and components. The training objective was fundamental understanding, quality management, blending mastery, risk mitigation, and operation efficiencies. Uh, yeah, so okay, this is the sum of the core which I want to tell you. Like day one I covered fundamentals of crude and blending techniques, which was like overview of crude oil characteristics and components. It was another one uh, was basic of blending principle and economic benefits, key quality control parameters for crude blending, role of blending in meeting refinery products goals. So it is all starting with the fundamentals and then becoming more advanced actually. So day two, I covered refinery configuration and classification, type of refining configuration, where we talked about simple hydroskimming refineries to complex refineries, where FCC is there, hydrocrackers are there, CDU, delayed cokers are there, and then VDUs are there. CDU alkylation units are there, or the basic platforming units are there, but more advanced units of the refinery are coming into that. So I covered that part also. Then importance of secondary process units in building. Mostly secondary process units are FCC, uh, platforming, alkylation units, which boost the gasoline raw number, and different products from different secondary units help in building more gasoline as a product in the refinery. So that's why they are very good source of blending in the complex refineries. Then integration of crude blending into the refinery process. So crude blending, like different products are there. Even if you are off spec, you can blend and get a on spec product actually. Then the case study demonstrating optical blending and strategies. This was covered on day two, where we talked about refineries and how they are integrated into blending purpose. On day three, I covered product specification and environmental conditions, which talks about key product quality specification, include blending, which means like suppose you are talking about gasoline, what RON you will maintain, what are the limits of TAN numbers and RVP in the gasoline. When we talked about diesel, what is the CTN number specification. When we talk about LPG, what is the C3, C4 components have to maintain, what can be the mercaptans uh, levels for LPG and whatnot. Like suppose we're talking about um, ATFs, like jet fuels actually. So what are the key components which have to maintain in the jet fuels, like smoke points, and diesel also pour points are there actually. So many things are there. So I covered key product quality specification, understanding environmental standards and emission control on day three. Economics impact on blending or refinery, economic impact of blending on refinery operation, economic impact. So you are more you have to go for more LP programming or online blending, so that you are more profitable. Then the owners of refineries are more profitable table in blending their products and getting maximum out of their products actually. Solution of maintaining consistency in blending product. On day four, I covered optimization of blending operation, methods of crude selection and blend optimizations. Like when we talk about crude selections, like when you have light, medium, and heavy crudes there, you can blend it accordingly to create your feed for the refinery. Then application of linear programming. In blending, linear programming basically uses different stored parameters, and they try to blend the product So x1 plus x2 is equal to x3, right? So you have to maintain vary x1 and x2 so that you can get a optimum x3. These kinds of LP programming works, which is automated through computers and artificial intelligence. Yes. Then overview of refill planning and schedule process. This talks about at what time you should go for what kind of product. Like suppose in summer, you will have to create less RVP products, right? Because summer temperature is already high. In winter, opposite happens. Then there's a cost benefit analysis for different blend options. Cost benefit analysis like what you have to blend so that you can shoot the a month of the year and the reason on which to which you are selling the product. Now the case 5, like day 5, we studied about the case study and practical applications. Question answers was done, trend of blending technology, interaction of problem solving solutions, analysis of real world case studies, and blending optimization. So these items I covered in my 5 days refinery blending course, and it was a paid training, and also it was one of the wonderful training which was like the feedback was from the attendant was that it was very fruitful and enrichment was there in the knowledge. So do let me know through the LinkedIn channel that if there is a training requirement in your organization, I can come and give face to face, or I can also give through Teams. Do like, do subscribe my channel for more such process inputs. Thanks a lot.